The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Morgan County until 5 p.m. At 4:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cayens, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: damage or hail damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Other locations impacted include none. Precautionary/preparedness actions: if you hear thunder, go indoors. When thunder roars, go indoors.